Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Cedar Open Nesting Box, a perfect shelter and feeding station for garden birds. This large open nesting box is designed for cardinals, robins, blackbirds, and even doves, offering a safe and weatherproof spot for birds to nest and rest. Made from premium cedar wood, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions while adding a natural touch to your backyard. The kit includes a bonus Suet cake feeder to attract more birds and provide essential nutrition. You can hang it easily with the stainless steel cable wire, ensuring it stays secure through all seasons. Plus, it's a fun DIY project that's great for adults and kids interested in birdwatching and STEM activities. Bring nature closer with this sturdy and beautiful birdhouse and feeder set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.